Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Bluetooth connection problems on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now first of all, just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. If this did not fix your issue, then open Settings and tap on General. From here, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on Reset. Now just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset Network Settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the network settings of your iPhone. After you do that, then check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then go to Settings and tap on Bluetooth. And from here, just enable Bluetooth. Now just tap on the eye icon in front of the connected Bluetooth device. Now after you do that, then select Forget Device. And after you forget the Bluetooth device, then try to connect your Bluetooth device again with your iPhone. If this did not fix your issue, then go back. And from here, just tap on Battery. Tap on Power Mode and make sure that Low Power Mode is disabled. Now sometimes when Low Power Mode is enabled on your iPhone, it causes Bluetooth connection issues. So that is why just disable Low Power Mode and check if this fixes your issue or not. If this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on General and tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. If this also did not fix your issue, then go to Settings and tap on General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on Reset. Now this time, from this menu, just select Reset All Settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset All Settings. This option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will just reset all the settings on your iPhone, in case if you have enabled a setting on your iPhone which might be causing the Bluetooth connection problems. But if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix Bluetooth connection problems on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.